If you're facing problem to connect your iPhone with computer, just this 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on allow this device to access photos and videos. So the first solution is try to force restart your iPhone. Tap on your volume up or volume down button and tap on your side button or power button at the same time and force restart your iPhone, and hope this will fix your problem. And the second solution is unplug the cable to disconnect with your computer and again plug in and check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is reset all settings. To do that, go to your iPhone settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.